So, after the description of my company and the R&D team, let's start to introduce you to the concept for IC packaging in Microchip. IC packaging is the final stage of semiconductor device fabrication. So, the device, the die here, is laid on a metallic lead frame and it is encapsulated in a supporting case made of molding compound, which prevents physical damage and corrosion. So IC package could have different definitions. It could be a system. It could be a simple piece of plastic. It could be a technology, of course. It could be a protection, an added cost. It could also even be a problem. For sure, its main feature is that it ensures the electrical connections to from the device to the circuit board, so to the external environment. So in few words, a package, an IC package, is the link between the function of the device and the world surrounding. IC packaging assembly process flow consists of different steps. First of all, we need to cut our wafer. So wafer solving is the first step. The cutting is done in order to obtain different pieces of wafer called dies. So each die is attached on a metallic lead frame by using conductive glues. After that, the wire bonding process needs to provide the connection from die to lead frame. And in the end, the molding process, presented here, ensures the chip encapsulation, and finally the singulation is required in order to get the final product. Today we concentrate our speech and our efforts on the final step of the manufacturing assembly, the molding process. Molding process consists on the chip encapsulation with an epoxy molding compound injected into a mold cavity. Most of the time, molding process is transfer molding, like here in the picture. But we also have the technologies suited for compression molding, capillary underfilling, and embedded wafer level package. Typically, molding compound is constituted for the 90% of silica filler, and the remaining 10% is a thermoset polymer. So in this way, the molding compound provides structural and mechanical stability to the package assembly and protected the die from any damage, contamination, and